Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be a lot of fun to share a packing video with you guys. I haven't shared a packing video in a little while, at least definitely since our Disney trip, and I love packing. You guys probably already know this if you're not new to my channel. It's just something fun to do, and I've been obviously doing a lot less of it lately, but I'm excited that we're headed to the lake this week and I've packed everything up, and I just thought it would be fun to share with you everything that I'm bringing. So I probably spent about a half an hour to 45 minutes this morning just putting everything together here. I'll start up here on my couch. I just laid out everything that I'm going to be wearing. So I have 2 bathing suits and a cover up. I have my heating pad that I just don't travel without, a sweatshirt, and then I think I have 5 short sets, and then I also have 1 pair of jeans with a long sleeve shirt in case it gets chilly. It's going to be, I think, in the 80s this week, so yay, it's supposed to be really nice weather. I also have my hat and a couple of outfits in case I want to go running or just do any type of exercise. I want to make sure I have some exercise attire here. And then I just have like sports bras and undies over here. And then socks, pajamas, my makeup, and then I also have my straightening iron, and this is the bag I'm going to be using this time. I've had this Aqua bag forever. I believe it's by Bagolini. And it really works great. I'll leave a little card up above if you want to see all of my favorite packing essentials, my favorite bags and things that I use, because I have some really good ones that I've acquired over the years. So this is everything that I have put out to wear. And then here is like my bag of fun things to do to keep me occupied. A friend of mine actually just gave this to me. It's a 31 bag and it has J on it for Jen. I like it because there's lots of different compartments inside where I can store all of my things. So the only thing I don't have out yet is my laptop and my hard drive and my headphones, and I will be bringing all of those things as well so I can do some editing while I'm at the lake, but I usually pack that last because I use it throughout the day. Okay, so some of the books that we're reading, me and Madison are currently reading Matilda together. I've made it to book 4 in the Harry Potter series, so I'm excited to start The Goblet of Fire. And then this is the book that we're currently reading for our book club with the library, The Shell Seekers by Rosamund Pilcher. And I'm almost halfway done with this. It's pretty good. My glasses. I have this Jane Austen adult coloring book. I just thought it was really neat. So I have that along with some markers. And then in this bag, I have more markers and colored pencils and stickers and things like that. And then I'm going to bring my planner so I can plan next week. That is everything that I'm going to be bringing in this bag. And then over here to the beach stuff. If you guys want to actually see like every single thing that's in my beach bag, I'll also leave a card to that above because I've done that video a couple of times. But here's just some of the stuff that I've gotten together. I have my flip-flops, my sun hat. I have this sunscreen. It's a bronzing sunscreen by Pacifica. I got this last year, as well as this face sunscreen. I always like to put something on my face. And then I picked up some more Sun Bum because the last time we were at the lake, I got burnt really badly. So I'm gonna make sure that I use that. It's a towel that I was given as a gift last year and I never opened it yet. And then this is just like a bunch of other stuff like my brush and my bug spray and some stuff that you spray in your hair to protect it from the sun and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything in the appropriate bags and we will be good to go. Hopefully it all fits. That's always the dilemma. So let's see. Okay, so everything is packed up and ready to go. This is like really heavy and I still need to put my laptop in it, but there's still plenty of space. So as long as the strap can handle it, that's gonna be fine. And then my beach bag has lots of extra space for more towels, because once we get there, we'll fill it up with more towels for the kids when we do go to the beach or on the boat. And then everything fit perfectly in my bag here. So we are all ready to go to the lake. Also, typically when we go to a beach house, I like to bring lots of groceries, even though I grocery shop when I'm there as well. So these 31 bags also come in handy for lugging groceries around, and then you can repurpose it when you're there. Like I could use this as another beach bag, or if we're going out on a boat or something, I can pack this up with snacks or extra towels and blankets and things like that. So they always come in handy. So I have all of my groceries in these 2 bags. And then this insulated bag is waiting for the cold stuff, which I will put all the cold stuff in here as soon as we leave. So then that'll be all of the groceries that we're bringing to the lake house as well. Okay, so we are all packed up and ready to go. I hope that you enjoyed watching my packing video today. Maybe it helped to give you some ideas of some of the things that I pack for a week at the beach, whether it be a lake or the ocean, or you're just going to some place that has a pool. This is pretty much the types of things that I pack every time, all of the essentials. Definitely always need my straightening iron and my heating pad and my bag of things to do. Let me know in the comments below, is there anything specific that you never travel without? I always need things to occupy myself when we're not sightseeing or going on the boat or kind of involved in other activities. I like to have my planner, and I like to have lots of books to read and other things to do. So that's always important to me. I hope that you guys are all doing well, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.